Hey there, speed demons. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to help you level up your typing skills and increase your typing speed. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who wants to be more efficient at the keyboard, this video is for you. So, let's dive right in. In today's digital world, typing speed is more important than ever. It can save you time, increase your productivity, and even give you a competitive edge in the workplace. So, let's explore some tips, tricks, and techniques to help you type faster and more accurately. First things first, let's talk about proper typing technique. Using the right technique is crucial for increasing your typing speed. Here are some key points to remember. 1. Position your fingers on the home row keys, ASDF for your left hand and JKL for your right hand. 2. Keep your wrists straight and your fingers slightly curved. 3. Use all your fingers, not just your index fingers, to press the keys. 4. Look at the screen, not the keyboard, to minimize errors and improve accuracy. Now that you know the proper technique, it's time to practice. Here are some ways to improve your typing speed through practice. 1. Use online typing tools and games to track your progress and make practice fun. 2. Set goals for yourself, like increasing your words per minute, WPM, by a certain amount each week. 3. Practice regularly, even if it's just for a few minutes each day. To further boost your typing speed, try incorporating these shortcuts and tricks into your routine. 1. Learn common keyboard shortcuts, like Ctrl+C for copy and Ctrl+V for paste. 2. Use text expansion software to automatically insert frequently used phrases. 3. Familiarize yourself with the layout of your keyboard, including the location of special characters and function keys. Finally, remember that increasing your typing speed is a gradual process. Stay motivated, track your progress, and celebrate your achievements. With consistent practice and dedication, you can become a typing pro in no time. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe my channel.